What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Uncommon Sense. This is another edition of Uncommon Sense, which is what? Uncommon Sense. You need to fragrance, fashion, style, lifestyle, travel, mental health, wealth type of content. Stay tuned because that's what we do here. This video is sponsored by Luxury Fragrance Oil Company, Luxodor.
Check out their website at luxodoroil.com as well as their Instagram at luxodoroil.
Luxodor reached out to me and provided me with 10 samples, not one, not two, not three, not five, not six, but 10 samples to review and share with you. Please stay tuned because you know what we're going to do. We're going to do what we always do, which is what? Right back after the jump. So, Luxodor sent me a package. Perfume. Beautiful box. So, I'm excited. Hopefully y'all are excited. Now, the fragrances that they sent me are inspirations. Some are original, but they're all niche rollerball style fragrances. Pure perfume. Get into that bag. I'm a stickler for the presentation always. Okay? This is the box that comes in. Luxodor. Top, your perfume. Inside, out of mind. I think I can decant these into that. I remember seeing something on the website that said you have to put grain alcohol in this, but there's an additional roller ball. Put that to the side because neither of those have fragrance inside of them. Let's go through the list. First up. They're in here really good. It's their version of Fleur Narcotique by Ex Nihilo. Focus. Let's try some testers. I've never smelled the original Ex Nihilo Fleur Narcotique, but glass of orange in the opening. It's a floral. Let's not get that mistake. But it kind of reminds me of Mancera's Velvet Vanilla. It's floral. It's citrus. But vanilla and florals are dominating. It smells so sexy. This one is a new fragrance. It is also targeted for, I believe, unisex. But I can see how this one is typically a lot. It is very pretty. It is what I would envision a pretty woman. I'm talking about like a classy pretty woman, not just a pretty girl. A pretty woman. Grown ass. Women wearing white, classy out to brunch, shawl, cardigan, cashmere, done up, right? Yeah, that's what this is. I like this one. It's really nice. I can see me keeping this in my collection and see if I should get the full bottle. But I'm of the impression that a fragrance like this will last all day. A little goes a long way. So that's Fleur Narcotique. Sospiro Accento. Accento? I think this is like Zerjoff's Accento. Get a test. Okay. Sospiro Accento reminds me of it's somewhat floral, it's fruity, jasmine or jasmine salad, lily of the valley style type of fragrance. It's a white floral smell, but it reminds me of Mancera's River Pura. So it's in that same style of fragrance. And I like Zerjoff's Mancera's Jardini's See. It reminds me of that. Very sexy, pretty, floral, unisex. I wear this fragrance. I wear this fragrance style. No problem. That smells amazing. I can tell it's fragrance is going to be so long lasting. It may not project a lot, but it is very pleasant. That is so beautiful. Mojave Ghost. I can smell that in the bottle. Love that. We're gonna put these on skin. I think I have to. Skin. The metal roller bar, and it needs some contact or something. This fragrance has that kind of jammy, plummy type of feel. That is such a sexy fragrance. It smells of spice, some woods. It is a very sexy fragrance. Again, Byredo usually don't last that long on my skin. I do not smell the original on me. I smell Gypsy Water. I smell the Rose of Nomads. But this one, man, it's sexy. It has a Middle Eastern style type of fragrance to it. Something a little powdery. But these are some masterpiece fragrances. So I'm actually loving that. It's maybe my scent of the day. I got a flight to catch later, so you know, we up and about. But we're handling business and we're giving you some uncommon sense and some more content. Alright? So coming up to the number 4 fragrance. Number 4 fragrance, Eclat d'Arpège. I'm not even sure who this one is by. I know I picked them all. I can now remember the designer. This one is a freshie. Lemon, a grapefruit in the opening, and if you can tell, like one swipe, a little goes a long way. It's so fresh and clean and sexy. And this is a 10 mil. And Luxodor has various sizes, so if you wanted to order various sizes of oils, they have that available for you. I'll be sure to link all of their contact information below so that you can purchase some of these fragrances or get a test or sample pack of your own. They do this 10 pack, and I think it's $100. You're able to sample 10 fragrances at 10 mil, $100. Can't really beat that. These are some of the most highest quality roll-ons that I've ever experienced. And I have roll-ons in this section here. However, I've not experienced any like Luxodor's roll-on. In addition to the badging, I love the black bottom with the metal roll. Yeah, this one is freshie. It's very clean, and I love to smell clean. So, Eclat d'Arpège. I'm not sure what this is. Ombre Nomad by Louis Vuitton. Ooh, that's sexy. Ooh, is what I smell first. Leather next. It's a very sexy fragrance. There's some spices in the background. It smells something like tobacco-y, or like I smell something along the lines of like Bakur. Yeah, that's really nice. It actually reminds me a little bit of Tom Ford's Ombre Leather. Kind of reminds me of Latafa Mahir, somewhere in that line. Already yet. Yeah, leather. Spicy. Very sexy. Cold weather staple here. Ombre Nomad. This one is an original. It says Luxodor's Prince. Of course we haven't smelled that. It's new. Oh, that is very sexy. Let's get on that spot. Y'all know we need our palette cleanser. This one's very citrus. Something a little sweet in the background, but it's mostly citrus in the floral. What does it remind me of? It kind of reminds me of lemon rain power. It reminds me of lemon rain power, a little bit of that Invictus bubblegum sweetness. That's what it describes it. The lemon is not the cleansing lemon, but it's a grapefruit bergamot. Those types of very clean, quintessential gentleman type of fragrance. I would definitely say this one leans more masculine. Same with the Ombre Nomad. It leans a little bit more masculine, and I believe most of these fragrances are unisex blend. To me, at my nose, I can see the intended customer being there, or those who identify as masculine presenting. Next up, Luxodor's Red Velvet. Oh yeah. Spot. I definitely smell like tobacco and like anise or cinnamon. A hint of sweetness in the background. Something about this reminds me of Mancero's Gold Prestigio. So if you smell that type of fragrance, this is somewhat like that. Yeah, some florals in there. There's an elemental sweetness. It does have that, it's a gourmand. It has the gourmand feel, but it's sitting right now, as it is. It's sitting right now on top, and all I really smell is like the cinnamon, the tobacco. The sweetness is underneath that, and the florals are underneath that, if that makes sense. Like, it's gonna come through later, but right now, that's all that I'm getting from. But it smells very sexy. I can see this fragrance being worn unisex, probably more masculine leaning. It does have, for a moment right now, a little bit of the Swiss Arabian, what's the gold bottle? I had it, I just don't know where it is right now. I have to come back to it. It has that kind of, like the Oud Cafe type of situation. It smells sexy. And a lot of these fragrances are gonna lean a bit more for the winter time. I feel like this one's more winter time. Luxodor's Prince, probably more spring summer. Next up, Legem Tiger. That's Bulgari. This is Bulgari. This is their rendition of Bulgari Lux. Legem Tiger. Oh, I just signed up for a sample of that ink, by the way, so I'm looking forward to it. I can do it side by side. That is sexy. Something very citrus leaning up top. Some fruits in the background. Some sweeter candied fruit. It's a squirrel out on my windowsill making all this noise. I don't know if you all can hear that. This is a sexy fragrance. I can see this one leaning a little bit more masculine as well. But it's one of the aromatics, or should I say, a fougere. That is a good fragrance. I'm gonna have a hard time figuring out what I'm gonna wear for today. Louis Vuitton's the Atelier Perez. Empty spot. Having a hard time. I'm running out of spots for this, man. That's a sexy fragrance. Something about that reminds me of like Christmas, like fir trees, or Douglas fir or pine. This is a green fragrance for sure. I can see this probably being a little bit more suited for spring. Sexy. I dig it. So some woods up front. Woods. and florals are in the background. Luxodor is really killing it with this fragrance thing. I'm with it. At your revs. Last but not least, out of all these 10 fragrances, Roja Elysium. Now, if they've mastered the scent of Elysium in an oil, it's over. It is completely over. Let's see what we got. I have a sample here of Intense Elysium, but we're not gonna talk about that. Y'all need to cleanse your palate? We've been sniffing that. Cleanse the palate. All right. Where can I put this? That's not tangible. I'm going inside of the elbow. Y'all get it. Good look at that. I get a blast of like pineapple, dry woods, citruses. It definitely is in the realm of Elysium, that kind of bleached birch kind of situation. That smells so excuse me. That smells so dang gone good. Luxodor. Gotta give them their props, man. They really hooked me up. And I want to thank them for sponsoring today's video and providing content to me so I can share it with you all. And we can all get in on this uncommon sense type of journey. Luxodor is a luxury fragrance oil company. I will link the information below. And again, I want to thank you all for spending time with me today to uncover Luxodor's uncommon sense. All right, thank you all. See you soon. Love you from the bottom of my heart to top to sides. And we live it up. Love on the bottom, put it back down, love on top. All right, y'all, until next time, I'm out.